Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today I did a renovation of my studio, and although I am a tech review channel, I decided since it was a pretty drastic change, I wanted to go ahead and record it for you guys to give you guys some inspiration if you guys want to create a studio of your own. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Initially, I had a really bright blue background, which I painted about a week back, and I really love the color blue, but then I thought to myself, this is kind of childish and the space is kind of empty, and I wanted to have my channel be like an adult channel where I could do serious reviews. So I went ahead and went more for a modern design type of interior. So I went to the store, got a whole bunch of succulents, and we got a couple of paints. I got a gray color paint so I could paint the wall, and then I had a lot of greenery that I added. We also have a nice rustic type of wood and a couple of paintings that I added, and then a huge broom plant which isn't visible right now, but I went ahead and added it later. So as you guys could see, I'm putting all the stuff together right now. I drilled a couple of holes in the wall, although I hate drilling holes because then I have to go back and repair them, but I thought to myself, this is going to be pretty permanent, and this is what my studio is going to look like from here on out. So yeah guys, this is the big change in my studio. This is the studio you guys will see from now on in my review. So I hope you guys like it. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. I do a lot of tech review videos and a lot of amazing things are coming in the near future, so definitely join the family for that. But anyways guys, I will see you later, and until then, have an amazing day.